See, we were all born differently, meaning that we have different gifts inside of us. We have different opportunities inside of us. So, yes, you may want to model what you see, but don't get caught up in the comparison trap. Okay, again, maybe I'm just talking to myself. No, maybe nobody's out there that got caught up in the comparison trap, but I've been caught up in the comparison trap more than I would like to admit. That's why I'm very transparent here with you, family, because if you can see and learn from my mistakes or get caught up in that comparison trap and realize I'm my own individual, I have something to offer, I have something to deliver as well. So this is what I want to give you as a tip. When you catch yourself comparing, redirect your thoughts to your own achievements and the unique, ooh, that's key, unique value that you bring to your role. So what makes you unique? There's something about you that makes you unique. There's something about you that you bring to the table that most people don't bring to the table, family, and build off of that, because that is going to be, as I like to say, your trampoline to be able to have the success that you're looking for.